Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make your own short form in Microsoft Word. That means we use a shortcut for some of our text. Then whenever we need the text, we just apply the shortcut and the text appear in our document. So let's start it. At first, click on File option. Then click Options. After that, click on Proofing. And then click Autocorrect option. Now, we apply the shortcut here. I want that AL text. Whenever I type AL, then this text appear. So I just paste the text here and then click add, then OK. Now, whenever we press AL and space, then we see that the ready-made text which I put in the proofing option, it's appear in my Microsoft Word document. That's it. Thank you.